Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, it's another opportunity for me to give you and share information that might be helpful when you date a Filipina. Okay, so this time guys, I'm so excited and I'm really wanting to share this because I thought that this information is hard to find, but we now live in, I would say, a very high technology age where a lot of information are available online, but we still have to be careful. Okay, so I found the ways, the steps on how you can report a scam. Okay, so well, it didn't really say a love scam or whatever investment scam, but if you think that you got scammed by someone, a Filipino specifically, yes, we are talking about Filipinos here. So these are the steps that you have to follow and you are good to go. Okay, but before I show you the steps, well, I think especially if you are into dating stage, dating Filipinas, always keep everything. Have copies of pictures, what receipts, what else, videos. Have her identification cards, and I think that is a good, should I say, protocol? Yeah, preventive measures. In case you really wanna charge or complain about someone if you think that she really scammed you. So I found this information again in this very, should I say, fantastic website, which I showed last time. So this is respicio.ph. It is a Philippine legal firm, law firm. So I'm gonna show you guys here. I just have to make my screen smaller again. So in this website, yeah, it is published on September 1, 2023. So very fresh, very new. So I'm gonna give you guys the steps here. So you just have to follow and just replay this video if necessary. So let's start. Alright, so the first question we have here on the website is, what should I do if I want to report a scammer? The answer is, in the Philippines, you can report a scammer to the National Bureau of Investigation Cybercrime Division, so that's NBI CD, or to the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group, so PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. You can also file a complaint with the Department of Justice's Cybercrime Office. The initial step typically involves making a formal complaint along with submitting any evidence. It should be evidences you have, such as emails, text messages, and transaction records. So I told you guys earlier that keep all the videos, receipts if you have, if it is available. Well, it should be on set on the first day. Even if whatever amount you have sent her, keep all the records that you have. So if you want to go personally, physically to their offices, to the NBI or PNP offices, just Google the addresses online. Okay, so second is, what laws are in place to address scams? The answer is, scams are often prosecuted under various laws, such as the revised Penal Code, which covers crimes like estafa. Additionally, the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 specifically targets cybercrimes, including online scams. So I assume that if you think it's a love scam that you are going through, a Filipino girlfriend is scamming you. So I believe it's included in this, should I say, what was that? Cybercrime Prevention Act. Yeah. under the revised penal code. All right. So the third one we have here, what evidence do I need to gather before reporting? So listen very carefully, guys, okay? The answer is collect all relevant information, including the scammer's contact details, screenshots of conversations or transactions, payment records, and any other documents that can support your case. This will strengthen your complaint and aid in the investigation and prosecution of the scammer. So I think that's enough said there. I'm not going to add more. Of course, guys, even if whatever you're saying is true about that person, but you don't have the evidence, the physical evidence, digital proof that she is doing that to you, I'm sorry, I don't think that the law will be on your side. Because otherwise, yeah, right, you are just accusing the person because maybe you you hate her. Okay. So the next question here is, will I be able to recover my money? The answer they have here, according to this law firm, is recovery of lost money will depend on various factors, including the successful apprehension and prosecution of the scammer, as well as the ability to seize any assets they may have. While there is no guarantee, reporting the scam increases the likelihood that you may be able to recover some of all of your lost funds. So I'll just give you guys one example. Aside from the motorbike that you gave to her, maybe a house and lot, a car, what else? Other valuable physical assets, right? And you just let the days, weeks, months, and years go by, and you just realize that she is scamming you. So, we never know that she might have sold those assets online, sold those things, or given it to someone. So it's too late. So better to act as soon as possible, right? Because yeah, how can you recover or get something back if it's already what, a year uh, has gone by, right? Mm-mm. And like, for example, you want to have your money back and she already spent a lot of it. Don't ever expect anymore. You want what, 70% of what you have sent to her? Really? Oh, come on. Okay, so let's go into the next question here. Can I report anonymously? It says here the answer is, while you can initially report anonymously, you will eventually need to disclose your identity if you wish to proceed with formal charges, as the legal system will require a complainant to stand as a witness to the crime. Of course, that is common sense, right? Yeah. Why are you hiding? Why do you have to keep yourself confidential? Like, oh, because I am so precious. But kidding aside, if you're honest enough, you just have to, yeah, be there physically there. It doesn't matter because you know that you're an honest person and you feel like this woman should be put in jail, right? Of course, um, we don't want another victim to be showing up soon. Okay, so the next one is, what are the penalties for scamming? Okay, the answer here is, penalties can vary depending on the specifics of the scam and the laws under which the scammer is prosecuted. For instance, under the revised penal code, estafa is punishable by imprisonment and a fine, the amount and length of which depend on the gravity of the offense. There you go. I think that's understandable, right? So guys, just replay this video if you uh, want to clarify something, or you can just click the link of the website of this law firm. So I will put that in the description box of this video. Okay, I think this is the last question for this, yeah, for this topic. How long does it usually take for these cases to be resolved? Okay, their answer is the timeline can vary significantly depending on the complexity of the case, the availability of evidence, and the efficiency of the legal proceedings. Be prepared that it could take months or even years to reach a resolution. Okay, so they have a note here. This article is intended for information purposes and should not be uh, construed as legal advice. So consult a qualified attorney for advice pertaining to your situation. Okay. Yes, guys, I found out that they also, yeah, they offer, this is a good news. In their website, I found that they offer initial free consultation. Your first consultation, I believe. Yeah, you just have to email them or go to their office physically. Their office is in BGC in Taguig. So guys, I appreciate your time being here, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Smash a thumbs up button. It's not hard to subscribe as well. Share this channel or video to your friends, especially if they are, into dating or want to try dating Filipinas. Yep. And of course, for me as a Filipina, this is also a good information that that's why I wanna share this to you guys. And yep, see you in the next video. Always take care. Bye.